Hello everybody, how you doing today? Weather and Toilet Liker 8802 here, and welcome back to another video. So today's upload is going to be about the still growing potential for the Halloween 2019 snowstorm. Before I go into the video though, I would like to say that I'd still appreciate any more subscribers by New Year's 2020, even though I already have 102 of them as of October 29th of 2019. Try to express how you feel about this video by clicking the like button. If you do not like the video, that is okay. Nice comments are always encouraged, as is constructive criticism. However, I will immediately remove any negative comments. One last thing about comments. I will read every single nice comment you have, but I might not get a chance to reply to all of them. This is going to be the very last daily update video about the Halloween 2019 snowstorm. This means I will not make a video out about this tomorrow, because I most likely won't have time to do so before the storm hits. Oh no! As of today, Tuesday, October 29th of 2019, NOAA weather radio station WXL61 in Cedar Rapids, Iowa is still out of service. Unless service is restored by tomorrow, Wednesday, October 30th of 2019, and that is a big if. Service may be restored tomorrow. Big maybe. Unless if it isn't, I may not be recording alerts concerning this snowstorm, either before or during it. So let's start with the basics. What is the snowstorm potential continuing to increase? Where the areas affected, parts of far eastern Colorado into northern Michigan. The when is Wednesday evening through Friday morning. The brunt of this snowstorm appears to be later Wednesday evening into later Thursday, when moderate to heavy snowfall rates are possible. However, this is still only moderate confidence at this time. The highest snowfall totals appear to fall from near the Iowa-Illinois border, also including portions of southeastern Iowa, northeastward to part of northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, and also northern Michigan. The snow rates will start light, and accumulation may not occur on roads initially, but the snowfall is forecast to substantially ramp up as the storm intensifies from Thursday into Friday morning. Strong winds will help to create blowing and drifting snow, and may lead to near blizzard to perhaps even blizzard conditions at times. Winds will generally range from 10 to 25 miles per hour for the duration of the storm, perhaps gusting even higher than that at times. So next, what I have to show you here on this slide What I have to show you viewers here is the band of the snow's heaviest snow totals. Extends from east central and northeast Kansas through northern Missouri, much of the southeast third of Iowa, and into southern Wisconsin and northern Illinois. And don't forget, upper Michigan also has a chance at heavy snow. Anyways, let me get to the details. This is a GFS snowfall forecast as of the 18Z model run from Tropical Tidbits on October 29th, 2019. This forecast only goes out to hour 54, 0Z, November 1st, 2019, or 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time on Halloween evening. Snowfall totals within the two circled areas look to range anywhere from 3 to 9 inches. not not including the snow that just fell. Whoops, sorry, correction. According to 9 inches is possible by the end of the storm. This is the GFS 10-meter wind forecast as of the 18Z model run from Tropical Tidbits on October 29th of 2019. By this time, winds look to range from 7 to 22 knots. This forecast goes only out to hour 48, which is 0Z November 1st of 2019, or 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time on Halloween evening 2019. So what I have to show you here now is AccuWeather's side of the story. So the circle that I just drawn represents the rough axis of where the heaviest snow will set up. And according to AccuWeather, a general 1 to 6 inches of snow is forecast over much of the affected area, with a narrow band of 6 to 12 inches setting up from southeast Iowa and eastern north central Missouri to all the way to northern Illinois and south central Wisconsin. Across that band of the heaviest snowfall amounts, localized storm totals to 14 inches are possible. That is just over a foot. This is as of the last update of the news article I got this image from, which was October 29th of 2019 at 2:08 p.m. I'm not sure whether it's Central or Eastern time, though. I'm probably leaning towards Central time. And what I have to show you on this slide, excuse me about that, is the heavy snow probabilities. So this orange circle on the so in this image right there, which I'm gesturing with the PowerPoint laser pointer, the greatest potential for heavy snow appears to be from eastern Iowa and northeast Missouri into southern Wisconsin and northern Illinois, like I just implied. Now keep in mind that orange circle is only a very rough area of where the heaviest snow will set up. That is this entire thing, winter weather composite chart from the Weather Prediction Center represents the forecast probabilities for heavy snow from the Weather Prediction Center from Thursday into Friday, October 31st to November 1st of 2019. So there's a slight to moderate risk of snow greater than 4 inches over portions of eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and northeast Missouri. At this time, the probability of receiving at least 8 inches of snow appears less than 10%, as does the probability of receiving at least a foot of snow. The lower right corner, just ignore that. It's not an ice event, it is a snow event. And to close out the video, I have the sources I have used to gather information. So they include, they include Tropical Tidbits, National Weather Service Weather Protection Center Winter Weather page, and also AccuWeather. So the links I am highlighting right now. Sorry for the long moment there. I'm still highlighting that last link. And anyways, this is it for today's upload. If you'd like this video, be sure to consider clicking the like button, leaving a nice comment, and also don't forget to consider subscribing for other awesome content. And I'll catch you all in the next video. See ya. Bye.